Hey guys, Jeff at Auto Sauce. Today we're gonna go green. That's right, we're gonna clean this car without using any water. And how are we gonna do it? We're gonna use our Waterless Sauce Wash. That's how. So, what better way to do it than by using a car that doesn't use any gas? So we're gonna clean a car that doesn't use any gas without using any water. That's right. So, our Waterless Sauce Wash available in 16 and 4-ounce bottles. I'm going to use our allspice microfiber. Any one of these microfibers in our store you can use. None of them will scratch the surface at all. I just like to use this one. So stay tuned and let's get to work. So the surface looks a little clean right now, but we had a little rain this morning. And as you can see, there are some water spots here. Definitely not something you want on a black car. So we're gonna take care of those right now. All you're gonna do is spray directly onto the surface. I'll do half this hood. I like to let it sit for a minute. And take our microfiber now, and we're just gonna rub it clean. You can use an S motion, go back and forth, kind of ensure that you don't get any streaks or scratches. Not pushing it too hard on the surface, just enough. Get rid of those spots. Now that it's kind of hazed up, I'm gonna take the wet side, I'm gonna flip it over. Got my dry side now. And I'm just gonna buff it out to a nice clean finish. And there you have it. As you can see, water spots are gone. I guess I gotta do the rest of the car. But that's it. That's how you do it. Plain, simple, easy, quick, and environmentally friendly.
Perfect.
Alright guys, I'm done. It took about 15 minutes to do it. About halfway through, I turned my towel inside out and finished it off the other side of the car. The car looks great. It's ready to go. No more water spots from the rain on it. So our Waterless Sauce Wash, pick it up in our store. Be eco-friendly. Pick up a microfiber or two while you're in there. And remember to keep it saucy. Thanks for watching.